Rustic Architectural Style House. Welcome to our Rustic Architectural Style House tour. House with garden evergreen tree. Step inside and experience the charm and coziness of this beautiful rustic retreat nestled in the heart of nature. In this YouTube video, we'll take you on a captivating journey through every corner of our carefully crafted home, showcasing the unique elements and design choices that embody the rustic spirit. The exterior features a striking blend of natural materials like stone, wood, and rugged textures, harmoniously blending the house with its scenic surroundings. As you enter, you'll be greeted by an inviting foyer adorned with handcrafted wooden furniture and warm, earthy tones that set the tone for the entire home. Wander into the living area, where the centerpiece is an impressive stone fireplace, perfect for cozying up during chilly evenings. Large, picturesque windows allow an abundance of natural light to pour in, revealing breathtaking views of the surrounding wilderness. The kitchen is a chef's dream, boasting a perfect blend of modern functionality and rustic charm. It features rich wooden cabinetry, farmhouse-style sinks, and top-of-the-line appliances, making meal preparation an enjoyable experience. The bedrooms exude comfort and serenity, adorned with plush textiles and reclaimed wood furnishings. Each room has its unique character, inviting you to unwind and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Luxuriate in the spa-like bathrooms, where natural stone elements and soothing colors create a relaxing oasis. You'll find it hard to resist spending hours soaking in the clawfoot tub or under the rainfall showerhead. Step outside onto the expansive deck, where you'll be enchanted by the breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while listening to the gentle rustling of leaves and the sweet melodies of birds. Our rustic home is a tribute to the beauty of nature and a testament to the craftsmanship of the skilled artisans who brought this vision to life. Join us on this journey through our rustic architectural style house, and we hope it inspires you to infuse your own living space with the charm and elegance of the great outdoors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more home tours and design inspiration.